I'm up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and I got a 1964 Impala, true SS car, 4-speed, cold AC. It's ready to go, guys. And my name's Nick. I'm about to take y'all down the road for a test drive. All right, it's time for another ride and drive video. Let's take off down the road. I do these videos every single day, so if you're new to the channel, you can check out about 600, 700 videos. What I like to do is I drive down the road and I point out any kind of flaws that I can find in these cars and let them be known. Like this car here, the horn doesn't work, which is real common with these old cars. Windshield wipers do work. The radio doesn't work. It's another common thing with the older cars. Easy stuff to fix. But with as many cars as we get in at a time, it's hard for us to fix all that little stuff. So we really don't get to work on them a whole lot. We just try to buy a running and driving car and give you an honest description of it. So all right, here we go. One thing this car does have, ice cold air. The steering is really tight. The steering wheel's not centered up. As soon as I turn, it turns. It's almost super tight. Yeah, it's definitely off-centered. Our RPMs are coming up. My speedometer's not working at all. It's stuck on 20 mile an hour. Check the brakes out. Pretty sure it was all drum. They could be better. They're good for drum brakes though. Let's see if I can get it in the right gear here. There we go. I went way too far over to the left. Went into like where the third gear is. I'm gonna pull in here and get some gas. The gas gauge is sitting right on a quarter tank right now. So I'll put a little bit of fluid in here and let you know if the gas gauge comes up. I'm gonna throw about $20 worth of premium fuel in here. And I'm gonna go check the gas gauge and we'll know if it works for sure. Pretty sure it works. I'm gonna try to get it about half a tank. All right. All right, let's check this gas gauge out. Leave the gas station. It almost looks like it already came up. It definitely works. Let's keep on riding. nice and tight, but I noticed the power steering's kind of stiff on this car. It takes a little bit more effort to turn it, but I mean, when you're sitting still, it still works, but it's like the belt's too tight on it or something. Going straight down the road, try to straighten this steering wheel up when I get back. Still holding about 30 pounds of oil pressure down there. The temperature's right at 190. Running about 14 volts, 13, 14. The gas gauge works, RPM works, speedometer don't. Clutch feels good, it shifts good. Brakes are nice for what they are. Got a little rubbing going on in the back. It's oversized wheels and tires. Car's probably been lowered a little bit. Suspension still feels good. Here's a bump. We went over that nice and smooth. It ain't rocking me around. See if we can squeeze on up in here. That's what I'm talking about. All right, we just pulled back up into the lot. This is going to conclude my video. If you have any other questions, you can give us a call, 615-822-4444. We're all family up here. My name is Nick. You can talk to any of us. I'd like you to check out my website though, maplmotors.com. I got 100 detailed pictures of every car on this lot, including this one. You can see our full inventory. We update every Monday about noonish, so you should be able to check that out. I know we bought 15 cars last week. We got 15 coming this week, and Rod Run's coming up, so there's another 10 or 15 cars. We're gonna have a lot coming this month. I really appreciate you watching. I post videos like this every day, so please subscribe to my channel if you want to see them. It'll notify you every time I post a video, so you'll know every car that goes on our lot. I appreciate you watching. Please share, and thanks again, guys.